When it's time to remove a tree branch or a limb, there is a right and a wrong way to do so. Make the right cut and the tree quickly recovers, but the wrong cut can set the tree up for a lot of negative consequences. So in this video, I'll show you the right way to make that cut and eliminate any risk of harming the tree. Making the right cut to a tree branch or thick limb involves a three-cut approach. The first cut is made 1 or 2 feet out from the trunk. This cut starts on the underside of the limb and goes up into it, but only about halfway. This is a very important step in the process. It's called an undercut. The second cut is out beyond the first cut, another foot or so. This cut goes down all the way through the branch. The branch is likely to break away as you make your way through the limb. But because you've already made the first cut, the bark will not continue to tear down into the tree trunk. Without the first cut, as the branch breaks away from the weight of the limb, any remaining parts of the tree, the attached and undercut bark, goes with it, tearing the bark from the tree as well. This creates a big potential problem, allowing a large open wound an entry point for pests and diseases. The final cut is right at the branch collar where the branch meets the trunk. You'll notice a flared area here. Make the final cut so that the flare remains and is still evident. Okay, so as a final step, you might be inclined to dress this wound with what they call tree paint. It's like a dark, tarry substance. Don't do that. That will seal this in. That's not good. There's a natural healing process that takes place now. If you let Mother Nature take control, that's your best option. Save yourself the trouble and the expense. Don't seal this wound.